Hey guys, how are we doing? What we're going to be doing today is naming and classifying angles. I hope this helps you guys when you go home and do your homework. All right, if you look at number 1, it says name each angle in 4 ways. Okay, when we name each angle in 4 ways, the first angle that I want you to start out with is writing it like this: angle K, J, and I. K, J, and I. And if we have angle K, J, and I, we can also write it as angle I, J, K. Notice that J is in the middle. The middle point is going to be our vertex. It will stay always the same in the middle. Okay? It can also be written as angle J, or it could be written as angle 4. Okay, if you need to, pause the video. Do that same for number 2. Do the same way we just did for number 1 as you will do in number 2. Okay, go down to number 3. It says name the vertex and the sides of each angle. So first, let's name the vertex. The vertex is going to be where both of these rays meet. So right at this point right here. So vertex is T. The sides of each angle, so if I do sides, my first side, my first ray is T to S. And we write it like this, showing that it is a ray. My next side is this, T to U. So I'd write it as in T to U, my ray, T to U. Okay, pause that. Go to number 4. Try that on your own. Let's go to number 5. Number 5 says state if the given point is interior, exterior, or on the angle. Okay, interior means that it's inside this angle, so it's opening towards this direction. Okay, I'll darken that up a little bit. It's opening towards this direction, so anything inside this angle is going to be considered interior. If the point was on the outside and anything going this way is going to be exterior, but in this case point P is on our interior. Come down here to question 7. Question 7 has the point on this ray. Okay, when it's on the angle, rewrite on the angle. I want you to try 6 and 7 on your own. Decide whether that point is interior, exterior, or on the angle. Okay, let's come over to question 9. Okay, 9 through 16 is all working on is the angle acute, obtuse, right, or straight. Well, first, I'm going to write up here, just as a refresher, acute, obtuse, right, and straight. Okay, what acute means is an angle less than 90 degrees. Obtuse is anything greater than 90 degrees. Right angle means that it's almost like if you were drawing a box, a square. Right angle measures 90 degrees. Okay, a straight angle. Straight angle just means that it's straight. Okay, let's go over to number 9. Okay, number 9, you see this angle right here. An easy way to remember, use your reference on this side, our reference point. This is going to be obtuse. A way that I've always remembered obtuse versus an acute angle. Acute has 5 letters. Obtuse has 6 letters. More letters in obtuse means that it's greater than 90 degrees. Less letters means it's less than 90 degrees. Okay, because we know a right angle is 90 degrees. Obtuse, since there's more letters, is going to be greater than 90 degrees. Acute is less than. Okay, the only time we have straight is if, again, there's a straight angle, which measures at 180 degrees. So we come over here, we go to 14. 14 says 180 degrees. Well, we know 180 degrees is a straight line. We know this is going to be a straight angle. Okay. Okay, I want you to practice these 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, and 16 on your own. Let's go down to question 17. Question 17 says draw and label an angle to fit each description. 17 says an acute angle. An acute angle first is less than 90 degrees. Let's draw, it doesn't specifically say the degrees, so we can draw any acute angle. So I'm going to draw my acute angle just like that. All right, it's smaller than 90 degrees, making this an acute angle. Now, notice C is in the middle of angle DCB. So we know C is going to be our vertex. Okay, I'm putting point D over here, point B over here because my angle DCB. Okay, practice this for 18, 19, and 20. 18 is a straight angle, 19 is a right angle, and 20 is an obtuse angle. Alright guys, good luck.